Get it?
1 second. Let musically download. Bro.
Hello, this is also X for 00x.com and I'm here with Joella. Yeah. So she can't hear her. Okay, so today we're talking about making your own fidget spinner. So guess what I found the other week? I found cool glasses. So what Joella did is she used this, which is like a mold. It comes with the fidget spinner, right? It's in the packaging. She put slime on it, and then she froze it. She put it on the freezer, on the refrigerator, and it came out as a hard fidget spinner, like a whole thing. So what you can do is perforate it, use like maybe a drill or something, and then make it a functional fidget spinner. The only problem is it was slime, so eventually it was gonna soften and then become slime again. So maybe use a different material, like clay or plastic, or find different materials that can harden later. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna experiment with it. We're gonna get the rotating parts on them, and then next time we'll show you the results. In the meanwhile, you can do that at home, like try it, use these guys, and then on the comments below, leave your results. Tell us what you can do, what you're doing, and send us your videos of how you can make this work. So, what else, Joella? How did you do it? Did you use like a regular slime, or?
So I did my glue, baking soda, eye contact solution slime. I added it, but I took the centerpiece, the centerpiece of the fidget spinner out and put it in the centerpiece of the mold. And then I put the slime in, and it was a functional fidget spinner. So
we're just trying to make it permanent with a material that can stay either cold or hot and then rotate all the time. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Now, don't forget to subscribe here on the left corner, and around here you'll see some playlists and some videos. Don't forget to check our gaming section, which is we have the top 5 free games you can download and play for PC. Our giveaway, we have 3 giveaways right now running, and then maybe the electric motorcycle app. So that was also X, 00X, and what's this kid called?
Joella.
Peace, and we're out.
End it.